Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. All right, so in today's, I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz, right? If you've not subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button right away. It's just free to do that. Okay, so today we want to learn this 36251 chord progression in the key of C. So let's look at this song. Hello, this family of God. So it goes, the song goes 5, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. Or this song, how excellent is your name, oh Lord. So now let's learn, look, using this chord, listen to this. 3, 6, 2, 5. Now, what about if you play that like this? How excellent is your name, oh Lord. Right. So I'm going to show you those chords now. I'm going to show you those chord voicing. I'm in the key of C. All right. So, but just before then, I want to introduce you all to my advanced passing chord master class courses that I just released recently, which covers showing passing chords, how to play passing chords, what I think when playing passing chord, right, and stuff like that in various. So what I did is, because I know my viewers, what I did is I did the course. I did one for the key of C, I did one in the key of F, and I did one in the key of F sharp. Right. So and there are different courses. So you get the one which you prefer. So check the comment section to buy your copy. It is 5,000 naira for people in Nigeria and $15 for people abroad. You can get the one for C, you can get the one for health, you can get the one for F sharp, and if you like, you can get 2. You can get 3. The 3 of them. Yeah. We have the option to pay with paper now for people in abroad, right? And people in Nigeria can always use our local bank. So I'll be expecting you in my inbox, WhatsApp, to buy your copy. Today. Once you watch this video, come buy your copy because you're going to be learning a lot of stuff. I mean, you're going to be learning stuff. Right, you're going to be learning stuff. Right, you're going to be learning a lot of stuff like that. So, I'm expecting you in my comment section, on my WhatsApp. Check the comment section for my WhatsApp contact to chat me up now to buy your copy. And then if you're in, you can also buy from my seller store. God bless you in Jesus' name. Okay, so this family of God. Now let me call the notes of the chord first, then I'll show you the that I'm doing. Right, so you already know the bass line. That's E, A, D, G, C. So that's pretty much what I'm doing on the left hand. So we have 3 and 7. So, but the right hand is where the thing is. So the right hand I have a D, F sharp, and B on 3. Right. So for 6, I went down chromatically. So I have a C sharp, F, and B flat. Then on 2, I have a D minor 11, which is a D, F, A, C, E, G. D, F, A, C, E, G. Then on my 5, I have this chord. On my left hand, I have a G and F. On my right hand, I have a B, E flat, F, and A. So one more time, it goes like this. So now what I'm doing is, when I want to play the first chord, you know we are doing G, F sharp, and B. But I will slow this E to F sharp. So while still doing the B, look at it. Something like this. Right? So then for the 6, I'm doing the same thing for E flat to F. Right then, of course, you can do the same thing on D minor 11. Right? Holding the D, slowing the D to the E. Right then to this one, this chord, then to the. So imagine playing is the first time you sing. So and then the next time you're going, then you do. when you play the keyboard. And that is the testimony I get most times when I visit various churches, ministries, to play the piano. That's always the testimony. It's not like I don't sound like maybe the best guy, but people are just like, I mean, bro, I love the way you play. I love the way you sound. And that's very good for me. That's just very sound, because I don't want to be a professional that plays and then people don't really feel it, because I've seen people like that who are so very good. They are so good to the fact that people don't even feel them. I mean, so you should be good in that way that people love what you play. So you should come on my inbox now to buy the advanced courses. They're going to help you. They're going to help you a lot. And then also when you learn them, when you watch some of my videos later, you're going to be understanding a lot of things, because you already have the background knowledge of what is going on. Because I didn't just show the chords, but I also show what led to the chords, why I'm doing those chords, and how we built those chords, also those passing chords. So you're going to learn a lot. God bless you. See, check the comment section to get my WhatsApp contact and to come and buy your own copy. Now, God bless you in Jesus' name.